I just made I just made something. Um, bye. Why just disappear? Yeah, and also hi, and also doing that door, and also I have a question. How do you even get a whole computer through that tiny ass door? By the way, Gabriel,
What?
do you do you even know there's a note it said totally don't go to the train station. Let's go to the train station. Can we just go to the goddamn train station? Hey, you had to hear AirPods! Gabriel, I said we're going to the train station!
What?
I said we're going to the goddamn train station!
Oh, you think that would be a creepy voice? You thought that was gonna make me terrified? It's a creepy voice.
Hello, your time is come. I will tell with you. That didn't terrify me.
I took your liver.
I don't care.
Okay.
I'm
Can I take your goggles?
Sorry you lost, but I'm sure there's going to be another match. I already decided I'm giving up. I don't want to be a game developer
Why would-
anymore. You're kidding.
No!
You can't just give up.
Well, I'm taking them. Bye bye.
I already have. Well, you just took off my goggles. There was another goggles.
I'll take all the goggles off.
I already have goggles on.
Leave me alone now.
Are you sad? Just know that confidence you had.
Wait. Oh.
Check this out.
Wait.
$1,000.
Oh fuck, that's my. Wait, please don't take my last one.
Maybe.
Bumblebee.
Later.
Yeah.
Just
I ate all your goggles. It tastes like tea.
Mom, don't stop bothering me.
Because I pee on them.
And my electronics are taking away.
And Glasgow die from the embarrassment.
At least I live. That pee tastes good.
You're so
/ kill Gale.
good at it.
I have admin commands and I'm immortal.
Bang out.
Even there's any
I'm invaluable. I have over 10 million counts.
Random command, and shit it left again.
I have another one.
I'm quitting.
Ha!
Do you know it's like you know it really suspicious there's a sign says totally not a shot to I mean totally not going to the town thingy. Whew.
I'll push you in there.
Ah!
Yay.
At least I didn't break the fourth wall. Oh look, some pills. I didn't do anything. Well, actually, he had 3 more lives because say break the fourth wall three more times. Yo,
You just broke the fourth wall.
well that's strike 2. Okay.
And guys, well, first of all, you broke the fourth wall because how did you fit 3 gargoyles inside you? That's like literally like how do you put like?
Can you just shut up and just stop?
And how did you turn green? And why does it show you?
Do not break one more fourth wall.
And why does it say your IP address?
See, I told you. She was just thinking about
That is not a fourth wall brokenness.
Then why is there someone's booty head just showing on your building?
It feels like everyone around
That's not a fourth wall.
Then how come you're staring at the screen instead of me?
You get trolled?
Daniel, there's a crack there. Yeah, we should like just go to the train station right now. Oh.
Oh, but who's the cameraman? Hold on, let me turn.
Stop breaking the fourth wall!
I have 1 million broken freaking fourth walls in a month and I haven't died yet. And here's the caravan. Hey, don't show me. I'm not alone. I'm naked. Wait, no, I'm not naked. Wait, huh?
You're just dark gray, yeah. You're just dark gray kind of dude. Dude, just stop. Alright, just go to the goddamn train station. Let's go.
You get trolled? Someone doesn't want me. Yeah.
Sometimes, can we just go to the damn train station? Yeah, let's go to the train station. Stop going on your computer. Just let me move the computer. Okay. Give me my computer back. Your computer's in the train station, dumbass.
You just broke it, and it has a camera that's showing you looking at it.
That's an eyeball.
Yeah, so it's same as a camera. You broke the fourth wall.
Wait. The crack is getting more bigger. Fuck.
Your time is up. You have broke the fourth wall.
Wait.
Okay, let's just run.
Please, I'll pay you money.
Pay me 10 trillion, million, infinite bucks.
Okay.
This is just $0.1.
No, that's not. You stop making bullshit. Hey, this is my life saving. Hey, it has infinite money. You shit.
You need way more. This is a ×2 money of.
Okay.
×2.
I'll give you a ching.
Actually, it's ×1, infinite times infinite.
Stop.
Alright, let's just go.
Okay. Fuck that. Let's go.
Hey, get back here! Run!
Oh shit! The crutches are coming.
Close the door.
The crutches are coming.
Oh, thank God! I almost
Where's
missed
your
my
computer?
pants.
Wait, where's your computer?
You just left it. You broke it. Look what you did. Now I can download a computer because of you.
Where you gonna get that? It's cost like $1,000.
You took my money wallet.
No, I didn't.
You did, right? There, you have my wallet. You better give it back.
You have $10,000 right on your damn forehead.
That's my tattoo.
By the way, where are we going?
Wait, I forgot. Where are we going?
It doesn't say anything.
Were you telling me that this was a train that goes to our home?
No, it didn't. It didn't say anything.
So why the hell did you tell me?
I had no idea where we're going. Why is it flickering? It's just because I'm just because I'm a hobo. I'm a mistelling bitch.
Okay, seriously, where are we going?
I had no idea, and the lights are out, and I can't see any goddamn thing.
GlysomeGro, why are the lights flickering?
I said that.
I just said the opposite. Hello? Is it just you, but I don't see anyone else?
I literally cannot see. It's just pitch black.
Well, welcome to San Francisco land.
That's just a big ass paper.
But anyways, where's your brother?
He's just sleeping.
No, he's not sleeping. He's been with you in the train.
Why you always on a damn computer? You just bought that?
I bought that. I stole it from your brother.
What?
Wait, where am I? Hello? Where am I? I thought. Who the hell are you? I have a dream! Oh, wait, we're still in the train.
Why are you still in the damn train?
We've been here for hours. Let's just get out. Open the door.
Just open the damn door! No.
You haven't paid your money yet!
Wait. Wait, the door is not opening.
Crazy.
Hey, how long is it gonna take to land? Hey, 48 hours.
I can't even take